That is inbred chemistry. That's real chemistry. But in our business, you know it when you hear it, and it's the collision of two voices that play off of each other well. It's the being able to make fun of each other without getting defensive. It's the, finishing each other's sentences. It's the understanding what makes you tick. It's understanding what buttons set you off. And that stuff just happens so naturally, especially on the hard line. But over the years, you started to see it happen as these guys got put together and stayed together. And it's so funny now, these guys have been on the air almost 30 years, the guys that are still at the ticket. And people still want to, they want to talk about, how do we copy that? You can't.
No,
you can't copy. That's 30 years in the making. You can't, even today, the chemistry is different than it was then, whether it's better or just advanced. But it's vital, but you can't manufacture it. Maybe I think that's my answer to your question. And you just have to, when you hear it, you have to be smart enough to not only recognize it, but then try to continue to feed it. Yeah, feed it and grow it.
It's either there or it's not. But the hard part is to, once you think you've got it, and I don't know at what point it occurred to me that we really did have great chemistry all the way around. But once you've got it, you got to figure out how to nurture it. You got to figure out how to keep it from getting away from you.
Yeah, it's like a relationship, right? It's like, because in order to keep the chemistry, whether you know it or not, there's probably a series of compromises happening to keep that afloat and to not let it get away from you, because the minute someone sort of violates the principle of, I got to have enough room for his aura or her aura, then it does start to get away from you, because now it's becoming about one person. And that was the magic of the ticket chemistry. There were stars, you being a guy that had all this tenure in the marketplace and this history in the zoo, but there wasn't. There were stars, but there wasn't any one person trying to shine the spotlight on themselves.
Yeah.
And willing to put a knife in everybody else's back so they could advance themselves. It was collaborative, and it was collegial, and it was fraternal. It was all of those things that created the magic.